Okay, so the next one we're going to do is with the bird punch, or again, or if you want to use the bird stamp or whatever image that you have. An owl punch would work really cute too. Okay, so for the bird punch, the main body of the bird, I'm going to use the striped or plaid paper. And, okay, so we've got the bird, the leaf, and the wing went somewhere, but it doesn't really matter because I'm not going to use the wing anyways. Oh, there it is. And there's the wing. So we have the bird, the wing, and the leaf. We need 3 of these. Okay, now we're going to take the rust colored paper, and we just need the little wing. That's it. And we need 3 of those. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pick which side we want for the embellishment. I actually want to use the more solid as opposed to the plaid, but you can do whatever you would like. And we are just going to add the wing with just a little bit of adhesive. And I like to have the wing poke up a little bit above the body, but you can definitely add it on like this. If you want some variety, you can do both. But I'm going to do it so that it sticks up a little bit. Now we're going to pull out your button collection, and what we're doing is we're looking for small coordinating buttons. So for instance, this purple would be really cute. Let's see if I have any yellow buttons that are small enough. Yellow button. And what about a dark green? That would work. We need some sort of twine. I am just using crochet thread. So I just cut 3 pretty generous lengths of twine. If you are not using buttons and you opt to use, let's say, a brad or an eyelet or another rhinestone gem, of course, you don't have to do the bow or the string. If you want to, of course, you can still make it work. And I am just going to loop this through the holes and then tie a bow. And this is probably going to be very painful to watch, so I will come back when these are all done. Okay, so I have the buttons all tied with the little bows. I'm just going to add a glue dot to the back and attach that to the little birdie's wings. So just like that. I'm going to repeat for all 3. Okay, so these could be done in and of themselves. You don't need to do anything further. They would make really cute embellishments. But I am going to take one of these and up it a little bit just to show you what else you can do with these. So I have a ton of these tags. These are just generic tags that I bought at like Office Depot, or actually I think I might have even gotten these on Amazon, like a big like 500 box. There is a matte side and a glossy side. I prefer the matte side, even though I think technically the glossy is supposed to be the front. So I'm going to use the matte side, and what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that scallop circle punch, and we are going to take a piece of scraps. Again, it doesn't matter which one you pick, just pick one. And I am actually going to use the back side of this one because I like the green. And we are just going to attach that, and I'm going to go slightly off the tag because I like the way that that looks. If you haven't figured out by now, I like everything slightly off center. And actually, because my bird's facing the other way, let me change this orientation and do it on this side. Okay. The little birdie, he needs something to rest on, and we could use this branch, but I think it will look better if we cut a branch from the shimmer paper. Okay, so we're just going to add a little bit of adhesive. Do a little pop dot. maybe 2 pop dots. If you don't have any of these little office tags, you can most definitely use, you know, you can create your own tag. And I think I want to put a little word on here. So I like the word seasonal. Okay, and I think you can tuck them in there or underneath. I think I like that. And I'm thinking it needs a little bit of rhinestones because, you know, why not? I think we're just going to go with the white. And I think we're going to do a couple up here. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. Sorry, I was off camera. So that is the little tag. You can tie this into a bow if you want. You can remove the string, add a brad. All would be super cute. And then we have the 2 complementary birds to go with it to round out our set of 3. As for these extra pieces, you could make a few more birds if you want. These would be fine to use for tucking pieces. So I'm just going to add these to my embellishment pile. And we'd probably just use it to tuck in a few things here and there. These can also be used as leaves, even though they're technically wings. So again, those are things that I can use to tuck behind flowers and stuff. So I'm just gonna add those as embellishments.